Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, we will learn how to add serial numbers and how to update the serial number automatically. So, let's begin. Okay. First of all, right-click on your table, and then go to the Insert tab, and select Insert Column to the left. You can see, a new column to the left has been added. Okay. Then select the number of the cells where you want to add the serial number. Now, go to the Home tab, and then select Numbering, that is 1, 2, 3. You can see, the number has been added automatically. Okay. Now, this serial numbers will be updates automatically. For example, if you want to add another row, so, click Insert Row below. You can see that they have been added automatically, as well as, if you are going to delete some rows, it will be updated automatically. For example, we are going to delete these rows. Click on the entire row deleted. Press OK. Now, you can see that is will be updated automatically. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.